Hi, so we have finished putting everything back together. We're just using the as-is parts right now to see if we've actually solved our pressure problem simply by cleaning off or cleaning out the filters. As you can see, they're significantly cleaner, not great, but definitely cleaner than it was. Relatively simple job. I think it took us, between two of us, about 10 minutes or so. But there's now a building list of things that we're going to do. So on the underside here in the drain plug, there's an O-ring that is cracked probably by about 90%, just from age. We'll be replacing this upper O-ring here. It's about maybe a 16 to 17 inch diameter. The spring on top is all corroded, so we'll be looking to see if there is a stainless steel version of such. And just a simple maintenance thing here. So the rubber seal or the O-ring left part of its residue on the edge, so we're just cleaning that up.